there's a lot of very interesting people out there travelling on the Beenleigh line, but I didn't want to do specific portraits. And I realised there's this sort of fine line between specific portraits, what you might say general types, but not to say stereotypes. That's slightly different. And a fine line in turn between types, and before you stray into the perilous territory of caricatures, where you're kind of like having a go at people or something, which is certainly not what I want to do. But when I started doing this Beenleigh line group, and of course 20 years before I moved down here to Logan, almost like 4 years ago, when I came to Logan. Before that I lived for 20 years in Dutton Park, where I was already on the Beenleigh line, so I had this interest of people watching on trains and doing painting.